Good morning everyone, my name is Alexander Robinson and this is my travel channel. So today I'm going to be doing something I've never done here at Universal Orlando Resort because last time I was here this place didn't exist. I'm going to be heading to Volcano Bay. It's their water park that opened up in 2016. Last time I was here was 2008. So back then they had what was called Wet and Wild, and that I believe is where their newer hotels, Surfside and Dockside, are now. So this will be fun. I'm excited to go. I have no idea what to expect. It's currently 60 degrees here in Orlando, Florida, and I'm questioning whether or not I made the right choice on going. So because I'm staying at the Cabana Bay Resort, there's actually a secret entrance that you could just walk into Volcano Bay from. See, there's the wing of the hotel I'm staying at right now, and this is the walkway. Super convenient. It's also open 30 minutes early for resort guests, so it's 9:35 right now. The water park opens at 10. Just make sure to have your room key before you head inside. Made it past the security checkpoint, and now this is the pathway you take to get there. As this fantastic music is playing in the background, this entrance to Volcano Bay reminds me very much of at California Adventure, where the Grand Californian has that secret pathway into California Adventure, so you don't have to go through the main gate. And here's a pathway that takes you to that main entrance. So we're gonna continue on to the water park. The last time I visited any water park was in 2011, and that was Raging Waters. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever done a water park in over 10 years. And obviously I'm recording with my Canon G7X camera. I'm not gonna be taking it with me. I have a GoPro in my bag here, so I'm gonna be switching to that when appropriate. There it is, Volcano Bay. Really dig this entrance.
Welcome to Volcano Bay.
Alright, so I'm officially in Volcano Bay, and they gave me a wristwatch, which is called a Taboo, and there's actually a sign here that shows you how to use it. So the basic idea of a Taboo is that you can use it to book virtual line for certain water slides, and then I think to purchase things, I'm not entirely sure, I'll have to ask around. But yeah, you basically wear it as a watch, and at the end of the day you have to return it as you exit the park. So it looks cool, but you don't get to keep it, unfortunately. Wow. That's pretty spectacular. I mean, I got a view of it from my hotel, but seeing the full thing is amazing. Alright, so I just rented a locker. I got my GoPro right here. Everything's in here. See on the other side of this camera. Alright, the GoPro's out. It's the first time I'm ever using this, so I'm hoping this looks good. I can see myself at least. This is the GoPro 9 Black. So I'm sure this footage will come out fine, but I'm going to do the lazy river first. I want to start things off slowly for my first trip back to a water park in over a decade. Ooh, that feels nice. This is how I'm currently stationed in one of the water tubes. I can't get my other foot up. Oh, good. Oh, it's fine. Barely got wet. Success. Got my other foot out. Now just spin and relax. Oh boy, here's another one. Oh, that feels nice. That feels really nice. Oh. It's in my eye. We're about to go into the heart of the volcano. Oh, another waterfall. And I just missed them. I literally went right between those two waterfalls. Oh wow. Wow, this is, I love all the red lighting in here. That was the place where I first got into the lazy river. So now I'm just starting it all over again. All right, back at the volcano. I can't see it. That was a really heavy waterfall right there. I feel like Godzilla walking out of the water, just slow and slug-like. So here's something that the taboos do. If you find one of these little kiosks, you can actually use the taboo to spray people if you find one of those kiosks on the lazy river. So yeah, I am really digging Volcano Bay. It's not too crowded. It's a little warmer. I think it's nearing the mid 60s, early 70s. I mean, that's what I checked before putting my phone in the locker. But this is nice. This is really nice. So I think this is the wave pool. I'm just gonna hop in here for a bit and just chill out. It's impossible. I used to be a really good swimmer. Ooh, what was that? Oh, is this are these the waves? It sounds epic enough to where they start up the waves, if this is indeed a wave pool. Are they starting the waves or are they summoning King Kong? Oh, those look like waves. Oh yeah, they're coming. The waves are incoming. Oh, that's it? Disappointed that they're not giant waves. I hope that looks good. I'm gonna get as close as I can to the volcano here. There's a little railing or rope that you can't pass. Understandable, because those are some heavy hitting waterfalls and that would not be safe. I'll say this right now. Who needs a towel when you have the Florida sun here to warm you up? All right, this is not the same lazy river that I did before, so I'm gonna try to find the entrance to this and hop on. This one looks a little more intense. Tiawa, the fearless river. I think that's what this is. All right, here's that intense lazy river. And I have a life jacket on because of the intensity of it. It is required that you wear this. There's actually a height requirement for this thing. Whoa, here we go. It's the same height requirement as Jurassic World, the ride at Universal Studios Hollywood, 42 inches. Oh boy. All right, there's an island approaching right there. So the thing about this one is it really moves you around. So if you might crash into a wall, so you gotta really be careful. There's a waterfall right here. All right, I'm just gonna stop running my feet on the ground because it's rough. Oh, now we're in the backside of the volcano. What's that? Oh my god! Whoa! Ooh, that was perfect timing right there. Whoa! Whoa. This is where I started my trip around this lazy river. I'm gonna go again. This is one of their water slide coasters that I'm gonna try once I put the GoPro away. Looks like fun. And since there are not a lot of people here, I think there's really no wait time. Are they doing it again? Oh, my timing was a little off on that one. All right, I'm getting out right here as slowly as possible. So right now I'm going to do some slides, but I'm going to put the GoPro away in my locker because you can't bring GoPros onto the water slides. And I will get back to y'all on what I ended up doing. So I'll see you later. And I'm back. So I did 3 water slides while the GoPro was away. The Krakatoa Aqua Coaster, which basically it's a water slide that goes into the volcano and it shoots you up. Pretty fun. And then the 2-for-1 slide, the Taniwa tubes. It's this one right here behind me. Basically, you choose one of those tubes. The green one is a little slower, but is outdoors. And then the blue one is completely enclosed, but it moves a lot faster. So both are fun. I think those are the only water slides I'm going to do. I got one more thing I want to do. Ball, the Spirit of Krakatoon walkthrough experience. Basically, I'll just be walking inside the volcano here, and I took the GoPro off my wrist so I could just hold it like a regular camera. So let's do this. Nice view of the wave pool and then of the volcano here. All right. Oh, that felt nice. That felt nice. It's loud in here. It is so loud. And here's the backside of water. That's the wrong theme park, wrong company, wrong attraction, wrong everything, but I wanted to say it. Alright, here's a tabu thing. Just curious what this does. Oh, wow. Wow, that is fancy right there. Here's a pathway to Krakatoa, which I've already done. Cool area. This was more than I ever thought it would be. I thought you just walk right through the volcano and then that's it. I didn't really expect a whole lot of this to be here. Again, I'm really digging Volcano Bay as my first trip here. There was a sign back there that pointed to another slide, but it is too dark to read it. So we're moving on. All right, here's the outside. There's another tabu thing. See what it does. All right, so the camera cut off as I hit the tabu because I'm low on battery, but here's what it does. If you want a quick dry, that's what that does. Here's the exit right here, and the GoPro keeps shutting off because it's low on battery. It has like 24% battery left. So I'll just see you guys again once I get all my gear and switch to the other camera. One last look at that volcano in the background before calling it a day here.
Which way is the bathroom?
I think that way, or maybe that way. It's currently 12:40. I didn't plan to spend all day here at Volcano Bay because it's just by myself, but I managed to do a lot and just relax. This was more a day about just chilling out, and I really dug Volcano Bay. I also forgot how much fun it was to just be at a water park. I've been to several in California, Hurricane Harbor, Soak City, Raging Waters, and I've also been to Schlitterbahn in Texas. So I've had a few experiences at water parks, but this has been, again, 11 years. This video is not ending yet, so I just wanted to show you the pathways that you take if you didn't stay at Cabana Bay. There's two on either side here. This pathway takes you to transportation to get you to the theme parks, parking, and if you're a team member, to the team member shuttle, and then the other side takes you back to the non-Cabana Bay resorts. Then here's the tunnel you'd be taking to get to Volcano Bay, and that escalator we saw earlier is just on the left. Here's a Volcano Bay sign just in front of the escalators that you would be going up, and just like that, we're back at Cabana Bay. Right down there, that's the entrance to Volcano Bay if you stay at Cabana Bay. And that over there is the main entrance if you got dropped off by the shuttles from either the other hotels or the parking lot. So right now, I'm just gonna hang out in my room a bit. I'm gonna let the GoPro charge for a while, and then I'm gonna head to Islands of Adventure and get on Popeye and BLUTO'S BILGE-RAT barges, because I literally just came back from a water park, so I'm a little more forgiving and willing to get soaked on a rapids ride like Popeye and BLUTO'S. So I'll see you guys at the entrance to Islands of Adventure. And we're back at Islands of Adventure with the sun right behind the lighthouse top. All right, looking at the wait time here, Popeye and BLUTO'S is only a 10-minute wait. Not too bad. Okay, now we're in tune. lagoon, because the lagoon's part is blocked out. Now the whole sign is. Hey look, Billy Zane. And here we go, Popeye and BLUTO'S Bilge-Rat Barges. This is the one attraction in Islands of Adventure that I've been actively avoiding this whole trip until the day I went to Volcano Bay, just so I'm in the mood to get completely drenched on a water ride. And considering how wet these rapid type rides get you, yeah, it's time to do it. Alright, it's time to rent a locker. I should have a physical ticket this time. Welcome to Popeye's Paradise Cruises. Sweet Haven's door to paradise. I'm keeping my legs like this. Oh! Oh no, going backwards. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. It'll make a good video. Oh. We got people on me ship the olive spraying water. Okay. Missed it. Oh, I thought that was gonna spray me. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Well, that's not too bad. Ooh! Okay, we're done. That's it. There's the Popeye statue behind me, and I think that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm gonna head back out to the entrance. Today was mostly for Volcano Bay, and I had a great time. It was a really small but well-themed water park. The volcano landmark is pretty amazing to look at. Slides are fun, and I just forgot how fun it was to go to a water park again after 11 years. And I worked in Popeye and BLUTO'S Bilge-Rat Barges as a nice bonus for this video, but I'm gonna go back to the hotel, I'm gonna shower, and then I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day doing whatever, because it's gonna be me time. This is actually the second to last day of my trip here at Universal Orlando, so I want to spend the rest of the day soaking it all in without having to vlog anything. So once again, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that and hit the bell button to get notifications when a new video comes out. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment. If you want to follow me elsewhere on YouTube, but you can find me at my movie review channel, Alexander Robinson Movie and TV Reviews. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Letterboxd, Threads. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, have a good day, take care, and safe travels.